That's the sound of a salamander heater. It snowed today. It was snowing like crazy. We actually got a dusting out there. And I actually drove by an ice cream place, and there was people out there getting ice cream. Only in New York. I did get the motor running, but I can't keep it running. So just a little update for what's going on. Past couple of days have spent a little busy, but I got the new torque converter set up and engine plate from Go Power Sports, so it should be here around Monday, hopefully tomorrow, because I checked this morning and it was in Ohio. So fingers crossed it comes tomorrow, then I can get going on the welding for the new plate, get that situated. So for tonight and tomorrow and Sunday, I'm going to be working on the electrical. Got to get my key switch hooked up, get the battery situated, which I just bought. I'm going to get that the acid poured in, get that charged up. I'm going to work on my welds tomorrow. My buddy let me borrow his Lincoln 125 MIG welder. I have no experience with welders, so we're going to see how this goes, because I really want to do the engine plate myself rather than bring it to somebody. But we'll see how that goes, because I welded yesterday for a couple minutes and it just was not good at all. The welds were really scabby, splattering all over the place. So it's Saturday. It's April 6th. Last night I said it was April 4th. I'm all messed up. But it's pretty cold. It's not warming up any. Thought springtime was around the corner. We were completely wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna start working on my welds. Just on this piece of steel. That's the old engine plate. I don't really care about. I'm just gonna make some beads, see how it goes. Whew. Not bad at all. That's what I'm talking about. Looks a lot better than McFarlane tuning. Oh yeah. Not bad for a rookie. Yeah. I know it's pretty scabby, but as long as it holds, it's all I care about. I do want to get really good, but sucker's on there. Progress, baby, progress.